Hello my friends, welcome to our fan veil workshop. Today I will start my workshop teaching you some combinations and some techniques that will help you for grow and improve your technique with the fan veils. It's so important to you understand that you need two fan veils, of course, but it's a different because some brands made just the same hand and we need one right hand and one left hand. Why I asked for have two fan veils, one right and one left? Because you have two different movements for each one. If you take attention, the technique is I will put the sticks on the center of my hand and I will use these two fingers. My first finger keep the first stick and the last one will push the fan veil for keep this open. You can see here. You open the fan veil and my small finger push the last stick and keep the fan veil open. Okay? The correct position for use the fan veil is this. The last stick need touch your arm in this way. Why? Because the movement of the stick is the projection of the movement of your arms, like this. Of course, sometimes you can make this movement, but this is so special movement. It's not all the time. And put the fan veils in horizontal line. And practice this. This is very important because we have many beautiful turns to need. Our second movement will be both shimmy, change, shimmy, change, shimmy, change, shimmy. Cuando hacemos movimientos largos, a mí me gusta usar la onda. I like the way when I move longer movements. Our third exercise will be the ascent for open the fan veil. Take the fan veil in the center of your hand and make 1 and 2 and block your fan veils with your fingers and close. When you need close, sometimes the fan veils don't close all. You can close and push them in your hips for keep this closer. Open and close. Open and close. Like silk, like a ribbon veil. I use the veil like a barbell, like a circle. You see, I take the fan veil and I use like circles. It's another beautiful option that you have. This position. Then you can mix and you can work with this around to you.